stepping into a place that feels like a dream? Let's journey to Egypt's most surreal spots. Close your eyes and picture the stunning white desert, where alien-like rock formations create a landscape unlike any other. Next, dive into the world of the Blue Hole in Dahab, a mesmerizing underwater sinkhole that divers swear by. And of course, the timeless beauty of the Great Pyramids of Giza, standing tall against the sands of time. Ready for more? Visit countrydiscover.com for your ultimate travel guide. Make your dream trip to Egypt a reality. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and share this video with fellow explorers. Adventure awaits.